TotalDesk gives you freedom to set up your workspace anywhere around your house. Plus, enjoy the option of standing while getting your work finished. I love switching up my workday by moving to my comfortable sofa. And you can customize the height and angle of your TotalDesk to optimize comfort while relaxing with one of your favorite shows. The TotalDesk has sturdy legs that can take you from your office to your bedroom. So now you can enjoy breakfast in bed or just kick back and relax with your favorite book. In the kitchen, I use the detachable tablet and book stand for my cookbooks, while simultaneously using my TotalDesk for work or to manage my family's schedule. And now my TotalDesk turns into a fun TV tray. With its steady surface, you can eat and drink in front of all those football games or family movie nights. Now this is where functionality meets fun. Whether it's a picnic in the park, having an impromptu happy hour on the beach, or even enjoying a fire outdoors, the TotalDesk provides an elevated surface to help you enjoy all of your goodies. And thanks to the portability, the TotalDesk helps create a fun and festive atmosphere to any outdoor activities.